Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about the due date of any particular bill. How do we calculate it? Let's see. We have here concept number 4, due date, also called as date of maturity. Understand this. Due date is equal to date of drawing plus the tenure or you can say the period which is stated in our bill plus 3 days of grace. Simple. We'll elaborate it so it will become very easy for us to understand. Let's see. What is date of drawing? See, there are two dates involved in the bills of exchange. What are those two dates? Remember, A draws the bill, then he sends it to B, B accepts the bill and then he will return it to A. Simple. So there is two dates which are very important. First is the date of drawing, or you can say when A draws the bill, when A makes the bill. That date is important. After that, when we send it to the B and B accepts our bill, so that date is also important. So two dates are date of drawing the bill, second is date of acceptance. Now the question can be framed in different wordings they can use. What are those wordings? Let's see. If question states after sight, then it becomes easy and we have to use the date of acceptance. Simple. We will use date of acceptance for our this date of drawing. Okay. See, question will mention that B has accepted the bill on this date. Okay. Or if question states that in the bill it is written that B will make the payment 30 days after sight. After sight means when B has seen the bill and signed the bill, or you can say B has accepted the bill. That is the date of acceptance. If suppose the second case that, or the question states very important note, the note is that days of grace shall not be allowed when due date is on demand or at sight. What does it mean? If it is mentioned in the question that the bill is due on demand or at sight, then days of grace, what were the days of grace? 3 days what we have to add, that will not be added. Simple enough. Now we'll do few questions. See, in the capsule 1, a bill of exchange dated 12th July 2021 is payable 3 months after date. So from 12th July you are supposed to calculate 3 months. C. 12th July, 1 month will be 12th August then 12 September, and then again 1 month will become 12 October. Simple. First month, second month, third month, 12th October. Now after 12th October, what we were supposed to add? We were supposed to add 3 days of grace plus 3 days, and your bill is due on 15th October. Simple enough. So the due date is 15th October. Now solving the second capsule. A promissory note dated 31st March 2021 is payable 90 days after date. See, if it is mentioned in the question that you are supposed to calculate months, then calculate months. If they are saying 90 days, then we have to calculate according to days. How will we calculate days? See, 31st March 2021 is given. That day you are supposed to ignore. What is the next day after 31st March? 1st April. Now I want totally how many days? 90 days. March is gone. In April, how many days are there? April, 30 days are there. So still how many are remaining? 60. In May, how many days are there? 31. Then again, how many days are remaining? 29. In June, there are 30 days, but I want only 29. So I will take 29 days of June. So my final date will be 29th of June, because that is the last day. Now when you reach at this point that okay, June 29th is our due date, then you have to add 3 days of grace. It will be 31st and 2nd. So the bill is due on 2nd July 2021. Due date. This is how you have to take care that 29th June is the due date. Add 3 days, it will become 2nd July. Now moving to the next question. A bill of exchange dated 5th August 2021 payable 60 days after sight. After sight is given, it means we have to calculate number of days from the day of acceptance. It means date of acceptance. Date of acceptance becomes important because it is mentioned it is after sight. Now the bill was dated 5th August, accepted on 10th August. Payable 60 days after sight. Okay, so the number of days what we will count will be starting from 10th August or 11th August. 11th August. 10th August you have to ignore. Now I want 60 days. How many days for August are pending still? We will say, sir, for August 21 days are still pending. Okay, so 60 minus 21, 39. After August, September. So for September, 30 days. How many are remaining? 9 days are remaining. Then you can say for October, we will take the 9 days from October. So 9th October becomes my due date. And when 9th October becomes my due date, I have to add 3 days of grace. 9 plus 3, 12. 12th October is your due date. 12th October 2021. This is a due date. Very, very simple. Now, what does the next capsule says? It says a bill of exchange dated 30th June 2021 is payable 3 months after date. Very simple. It is starting from 30th June. You have to calculate 3 months. So 30th June to 30th July, August, September, 30th September are the 3 months. So you can say due date is equal to the 30th September, and what we are supposed to add? We have to add 3 days and it will become 3rd of October 2021. Promissory note dated 27th November, payable 60 days after date without grace. Okay, grace days are not allowed. They have mentioned in the question you are not supposed to add the 3 grace days. Now, date was 27th November. How many days are there? 60 days. Okay, so 60 days. Then what we have to do? Add. How many days from November are pending? 28, 29 and 30. So add for November, from November 3 days gone, 57 remaining. December 31, so 26. It means we can say January, 26 days we can use from January. So January 26th is my due date. I will not add 3 days of grace. Why? Because it is mentioned without grace. But as soon as I write this, no, a student tells, sir, 26th January cannot be the due date. I said, why? Because it is the public holiday. If it is public holiday, then what will be your due date? Your due date will be 25th January, the one day before that public holiday. Very, very simple. These were the capsules of our due dates. Thank you so much.